Hey guys, my name is Sim. I am a hair and makeup artist and today I'm going to be teaching you how I created this hairstyle. This is for the days where it's already been a couple of days since I've washed my hair. I've already used dry shampoo and today is the day that I'm meant to wash my hair, but I can't be bothered. So this is what I do, and especially because my hair is quite thin and it gets quite flat and volume clocks out after 2 days. It's like, bye sis, see you, I'm not staying around, you deal with life yourself. I'm stuck with flat greasy hair until I decide to wash it again, and today is not the day and this is what I'm going to do. So if you want to see how I got this, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start this by showing you how to find the crown of your head, and basically you're going to put one hand on the top of your head and one hand on the back, and the bit where they meet is exactly where my ponytail is, so that's where the crown is of your head. When I do my bun, if I do it here, I'll just show you quickly, it's quite far back. I like mine a bit further forward, so what I do is I go to the point between the crown and the top of the head, so about here, and I know it might look a bit too high, but I like it up there. And I go and push my hair right to the top of my head. You can take out bits if you want to soften around your face, so like here and here. And we are going to just tie this up into a ponytail. So this is where we're at. If there are lumps and bumps, perfectly fine. It's not meant to be perfect anyway because you're trying to get one more day out of your hair. I just want to quickly run over how I find the bits to take out. So I normally go where the eyebrows arch, I go up and I pull out the bits here, right at the top. I never go into the middle and pull out those bits because they will fall over your eyes and it'll become really annoying, and also by the ears. And it's just going to help frame the face so you don't look like you're, you know, when you've got too much face showing and you just need to take it back a little bit. So I've decided to go in with a scrunchie because my hair isn't so thick, and that way I can add a tiny bit more volume without having to backcomb it. Just gonna go and twist the hair around the scrunchie and pin it into the base. I like the base to be really tight, and then this bit you can just pull out and adjust accordingly. And then you're going to want to grab any scarf. I've got this normal square scarf. I'm going to roll this up like this. Put it to the base of my hair, cover my ears going up, and then you want to tie it at the top of your head, quite close to your hairline. You don't want to have it back, just want to have it a bit forward. I do a double knot and then flatten these bits. You can have it in the middle, but I feel like sometimes it might look a bit like bunny ears, so I tend to move mine to the side, have these bits coming out. So what else you can do is you can grab a straightener and you can straighten these side bits if you want a little bit. I want it to be like bent and going into my face so it frames my face, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching and I will see you very soon. Bye!